how to buy POKE6900 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community. As you can see, they have 1,400 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 18 hours ago and it increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And now this token trending number 3 in the Solana section on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Fat Wallet for that. As you can see, after that click here on swap. Now make sure to select the Solana token here and now click here and paste token address in search bar. As you can see, this also click on it and now you can click on I understand. So here you can type how much you want to buy like that. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. So now scroll down and now you can see here swap, click on it. After that you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy POKE6900 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.